Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You need local access and OneDrive running. First, click the OneDrive cloud icon in the system tray. If hidden, expand the tray. Once visible, open settings to view which folders are syncing so you can target desktop specifically. You do this now because unlinking without checking creates unexpected file locations. While in settings, pause syncing if large transfers are active because pausing prevents conflicts. Make sure you know where desktop files are stored before continuing to the next step. Next, in OneDrive settings, go to Account and select Unlink this PC. This stops automatic syncing. Once unlinked, OneDrive stops syncing but leaves files in the OneDrive folder. You should move any desktop contents back to the local C, /users/your name/desktop so you retain a local copy. Drag or use cut and paste. Make sure to check file sizes and available disk space because moving large folders can fail without enough free space. After moving, verify files. Finally, restart your PC to let Windows register the local desktop path and to clear any lingering sync processes. If you plan to use OneDrive again, sign in and choose Folders to explicitly deselect desktop so it stays local. Once done, check that new files saved to C, /users/your name/desktop. If something went wrong and files appear missing, inspect the OneDrive Web Recycle bin and Cloud folder immediately. Often files remain in the Cloud or Recycle bin and can be restored quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.